Today on Easy Simple Gardening, we're going to show you how to pot up a plant from a small container into a larger one. This technique works with pretty much all indoor and outdoor plants. You only need 4 things to transplant your plant: a pot, a saucer, a rock, and potting soil. First, start with your container. Your container should have a hole in the bottom. This will allow water to flow through and prevent it from filling up inside and rotting out your roots. We also have a saucer to put under the pot, so that water doesn't leak out into the floor. Start by putting a rock over the hole in the pot. This is going to prevent soil from escaping to the bottom while still allowing proper drainage. Now fill up your new pot about halfway with soil and lightly tamp it down. Use your plant as a guide to see how much soil you need. We want the soil line of the plant to end up about 2 inches below the rim of the new pot. This looks great. It's important to use a good quality potting mix because these are typically lighter and have water retaining capabilities, which is important when planting in a pot. Now grab your plant and gently squeeze the sides of the plastic pot to release the root ball. The smaller the plant, the more gentle you need to be. Don't throw this pot away. Check with your nursery because chances are they recycle these, and sometimes you could even get a credit for them. Okay, now look at this root ball. You can see all the white roots growing in the shape of the container. This is not necessarily a good thing, as it's becoming root bound. Root bound is when the roots entangle themselves because they use up all the available space. If this gets bad enough, this will stunt the plant's growth, and in extreme cases, the plant could die. So what we're going to do is gently pull the roots apart. This is going to encourage the roots to venture out into new soil and will give you a much stronger plant. Go ahead and put the plant in the new pot and fill the rest up with potting soil. That looks great. The reason why we leave 2 inches of space is to prevent water from overflowing. Now water your plant and you're good to go. This technique works for any size pot. For more information on potting up plants, read the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and share.